Hey guys, so I'm about to do our nighttime routine before it gets super dark out. The kids just got home from school and I have dinner cooking on the stove. This is literally our realistic lifetime nighttime routine. If you guys want to watch, go ahead and stay tuned.
You got that something that can't be seen. You got that one thing that's hard to come by. It's not your styling, it's not your jeans. No, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. The things you're saying.
Okay, and my makeup looks pretty darn good, if I say so myself. You guys will see a post tomorrow, but the game plan is kids take a shower and then they have popcorn and watch a movie while I finish dinner. Guys, is it what? Come on upstairs, let's get ready for the shower. Grayson, you too. The showers are done. Now I'm waiting for my son to get dressed so we can head downstairs. I'm not gonna record you, baby. Okay, you're done.
I look pretty.
Come here, Grayson.
Guys, are you vlogging my video? See Grayson and Mommy. Babe. More.
So this is one of my favorite products to put in my kids' hair, especially my son's hair. It's this Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Intensely Smooth for frizzy, dry, unmanageable hair. His hair loves this stuff, you guys.
Yep.
So if your kid's hair is like my son's, then try this product out because it's amazing.
And comment down below.
Comment down below if you guys are liking this video.
Yeah.
Make sure you turn on your bell so you can get notified when we make another video.
Yeah. And ring that bell and click that button.
And don't forget to what?
Subscribe channel.
I sauteed some mushrooms and some green beans. Now I'm gonna throw the chicken. I should have been preheating the oven. Hold on.
The telescope makes everything look bigger.
I can see Granny and Grandpa.
So I have my oven preheating to 425. And the chicken, it's been seasoned for about an hour now. I like to put a lot, hold on London. I like to slice up butter in my chicken so it doesn't get dry. Oh yeah, I also need to pour some chicken broth in there as well to keep it juicy.
Flying a kite.
It's mainly just like seasoning and water, I think. So I'm gonna just put some chicken bouillon and some water and pour it in there.
I don't wanna feel this way, but it's not that easy. You're complicating things for me. No, it's not that easy. Maybe just a little time can heal me, but it doesn't feel the way. What are you doing to me? Why'd you break my heart? Left me in the dark, dark. Why'd you have to go? I don't wanna feel this way. Though I'm broken, I'm still whole.
So that kind of looks like chicken broth, right, you guys?
Thank you, Susie.
So I'm gonna just pour this in there.
Please feel any better? A little bit.
I'm just a fool.
I see. Would you like to take a look myself?
Yes, please.
I say, no more red spots. You're completely better.
But there's still a big girl.
How do you
post, so I'm gonna just go ahead and keep that covered until we reach the degrees, and then I'm gonna start, I'm gonna cover up the chicken, and then I'm going to start smashing up my potatoes.
Come back to me. Yeah, I'm just that stupid. Thought that we were meant to be. Yeah, I'm just that stupid. Maybe just a little time can make you change your mind about us. I thought that we were meant to be. Why'd you break my heart? Left me in the dark, dark. Why'd you have to go? I don't wanna feel this way. I'm still breathing, it's not easy. I'm just a fool for you. I'm just a fool for you. I'm just a fool for you.
So I didn't season my mushrooms and green beans. I like to cook them first, and then I'm trying to cook them also on like the crispier side, so there's still some like health benefits in there.
Tell Peppa. Bye-bye, Peppa. Bye-bye, Strawberry.
That's really good. All right, guys, so this is the finished product. This is my boyfriend's plate. The kids are already eating their food. And I'm gonna make my plate and have dinner.
I'm bad. I don't want to go to my own bed. No.
Come on, honey.
I need to pray for me and I want to flip. I want you to pray for me and I want to flip.
Okay, I'll pray for you and then you can flip, okay?
Okay.
Let's pray.
No, first I want to flip.
Okay, flip first. 1, 2, 3.
Can you pray for me now?
I will pray for you. Dear Lord. Hi, son.
It's hurting my ears.
She hurt your ears?
Yeah. It makes me sick.
It makes you sick? I'm sorry. So, I've officially made it to my bedroom. Now I'm gonna wash my face.
I'm staying in bed thinking back on us and everything that went wrong. Never said goodbye, think I broke your trust. Should've known this all along. Don't wanna be the one that you're trying to avoid. I'm feeling so confused, why did I act so annoyed? 'Cause I don't wanna be strangers, baby. The next time when we meet, and oh, it dawned on me, yeah, yes it did. Not letting you go, 'cause what we had was gold. standing on the border. The walls around me kept me safe. I couldn't see that I was shutting you out. I was stuck up and proud, but I'm waking up now. Want you to know that I need you. I'm waking up now. You gotta know that I need you. Messed up, but it's time for me to be dropping down my defense. I realized I wasn't there for real. What I did didn't make any sense. How can I get you close? I see why you'd be so cold, but you need to forget.